Hi, I'm Lyndsey Oates. I'm the head coach at the University of Northern Colorado. I'm also a member of the recruiting task force for the AVCA. And today I'm here to share with you some NCAA rules regarding official visits. A campus visit is considered official when the university pays for any part of the expenses. So let's start with some basics. A recruit may only visit one institution one time when paid for by the school, and they may take a maximum of 5 official visits during their senior year. The first visit may not be earlier than the recruit's first day of classes during that school year. The visit may not last longer than 48 hours. There are many rules regarding how to count the clock, but as a general rule, it counts when they arrive and depart from campus or when the recruit receives a sit-down meal. Lodging, entertainment, and meals must all take place within 30 miles of the campus. A recruit is responsible for the following before the visit. They must provide the institution a national test score, such as a SAT, ACT, PLAN, or PSAT. Also a high school transcript. They must be registered with the NCAA Eligibility Center and placed on the institutional request list with the NCAA Eligibility Center. Regarding transportation, the institution can pay for the round-trip expenses to campus from any location. They may also reimburse mileage expenses at the same rate that it allows its own personnel. They can pick up and drop off the recruit by automobile. They may also provide transportation to and from the airport, such as a bus or train ticket, a rental car, or a shuttle. The institution cannot pay for individual expenses of anyone accompanying the recruit, such as the parents. Regarding entertainment, a maximum of 3 complimentary admissions to a home event is allowed. Non-traditional families, such as step-parents, are also allowed an additional 2 tickets. A student host may receive $40 a day to cover expenses of entertaining the prospect. The institution can provide 3 meals and a snack for the recruit and the parents or legal guardians. The recruit may only meet with current student athletes, university employees, and spouses. They may not have contact with boosters or alumni. And in Division I, the prospect may not engage in any workout activities or tryouts. There are more exceptions and rules regarding official visits, but these are the basics. If you have more questions, please check with your high school counselor or the institution's compliance staff. I hope this has been helpful in guiding your student athletes in the recruiting process. Please check back next month for more NCAA recruiting rules and tips. Thanks.